everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Children, today you have a story of your own. आजच्या भागामध्ये आपण तुमच्यासारखाच एका 7वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांची गोष्ट ऐकणार आहोत, पाहणार आहोत. सी दिस टायटल ऑफ दिस लेसन इज इन अ क्लास ऑफ देअर ओन. त्यांच्या स्वतःच्या वर्गात. आता त्यांच्या या वर्गात काय घडलंय ते आपण आजच्या भागामध्ये पाहणार आहोत. सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ टुडेज lesson in a class of their one, but this story we are going to see in two parts. So today we will begin with part first. So here are 7th standard children and they are telling about their class. 7वीचे विद्यार्थी आहेत तुमच्यासारखे आणि ते स्वतःच्या वर्गाबद्दल आपल्याला काही सांगतात. We are a class of 60 girls and boys and we are all friends. बघा ऑलला कॅपिटल केलंय. We are a class of 60 girls and boys and we are all friends. There are 60 girls and boys. Togetherly they are studying in standard 7 and they are friendly to each other. Though they are 60, but still they are friendly to each and every girl or boys in their class. त्यांच्या वर्गामध्ये 60 विद्यार्थी आहेत, परंतु ते सगळे एकमेकांबरोबर अतिशय फ्रेंडली आहेत. त्यांचे मैत्रीपूर्ण संबंध आहेत. पण असं जरी असलं तरी पुढे आपल्याला ते विद्यार्थी काय सांगतायत बघा. आता ही गोष्ट आपण बाळांनो सुरू केली आहे. वी हॅव बिगन विथ दिस लेसन. पण ही गोष्ट कोण आपल्याला सांगतंय हे मी तुम्हाला सांगणार नाही आहे. यू हॅव टू रीड विथ मी. यू हॅव टू लिसन इट व्हेरी केअरफुली. यू विल रीड द लेसन फ्रॉम युअर टेक्स्ट बुक अँड देन यू विल फाइंड आउट हू इज द नरेटर ऑफ दिस स्टोरी. ओके, so let's continue with the story. Of course, it's true that there are camps amongst us and sometimes we do have quarrels, arguments, fights, everything. Though they are friendly to all, they are the friends of each and every one, but it's true that there are camps among us and sometimes we do have quarrels, arguments, fights, everything. Though they are friend of everyone, each child is friend of the other friend, other child, but still they have camps amongst them. Camps means small groups. बघा, वर्गामध्ये आपण जरी एकमेकांचे फ्रेंड्स असलो तरी आपल्यामध्ये पुन्हा एक क्लोज ग्रुप असतो आपला, की ज्यांच्याबरोबर आपण सगळं शेअर करतो. तसं त्यांच्यामध्ये पण असतं आणि काही टॉपिकवरून, काही कारणांवरून ते एकमेकांशी भांडत असतात, एकमेकांशी आर्ग्युमेंट्स करत असतात. सो दिस इज व्हेरी नॅचरल, राईट? ऑफकोर्स इट्स ट्रू दॅट there are camps amongst us and sometimes we do have quarrels, arguments, fights, everything. But when it comes to facing others, even the teachers, we are all one. We face them together. What that student is telling us, that though we were fighting to each other, sometimes we used to argue on some topics, sometimes we used to have some disputes, but when it comes to facing others other than our class, even the teachers, we are all one. This phrase is very important. We are all one. We face them together. आमच्यात जरी छोटे छोटे कॅम्प्स असले, आमच्यात जरी भांडणं असली, तरी पण जेव्हा इतरांशी मुकाबला करायची आम्हाला वेळ येत असे, त्यावेळी मात्र आम्ही सगळे एक होऊन त्याला फेस करत असू. वी आर ऑल वन. वी फेस देम टुगेदर. एखाद्याला वर्गामध्ये कधी टीचर रागावत असले किंवा एखाद्याने कधीतरी बघा एखादं मूल नॉटी असतं, आपल्या वर्गामध्ये खूप मस्तीखोर असतं, काहीतरी खोड्या करत असतं. मग अशा वेळेला शिक्षक येऊन तुम्हाला विचारतात, हू हॅज डन दिस. कधीतरी आपण एखाद्याचं नाव सांगून मोकळं होतो. बट इन देअर क्लास दे वेर ऑल वन. असं एखाद्याने जर समजा खोड्या काढल्या तरी ते कधीही कोणाचं नाव सांगत नसत. वी फेस देम टुगेदर. एखाद्याने जरी खोडी केली, चुकी केली, तरी ते सगळे एकत्र होऊन तेही चुकीची शिक्षा भोगत असत. If you see a whole class being made to make 3 rounds of the school ground or copy 100 lines from the book as a punishment, it is most probably us. So, see, the children were good. No doubt they were good. They were very friendly to each other. Though they have small groups, small camps among them, but still, when there was a time when they were punished, but togetherly they were taking that punishment. And sometimes their teacher used to make them have 3 rounds of the school ground. Their school ground was very big, and the teacher was giving them the punishment of having 3 rounds of the school or to copy 100 lines from the book. That was their punishment, but still, most probably, they were the class 7 children. ते पुढे जाऊन जी कोणी विद्यार्थी किंवा विद्यार्थिनी आहे ते आपल्याला सांगतात की जेव्हा तुम्ही बघत असाल की मैदानावर 3 राऊंड मारतायत काही मुलं शिक्षा म्हणून, किंवा आम्हाला टीचर अशी पण शिक्षा देत असत की 100 ओळी तुम्ही पुस्तकात बघून कॉपी करा, ते दुसरं तिसरं कोणी नसून आम्हीच असू. But we do not tell tales about anyone, girl or boy. What it is telling? That we do not tell tales about anyone, girl or boy. We take the punishment as a class. To tell tale means to talk to other people about someone's faults or mistakes or secrets, etc. मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला चाडी करणे किंवा चाडी लावणे बोलतो बघा, है ना. तुम्हाला हा शब्द अगदी चांगला माहिती असेल की वर्गामध्ये काही विद्यार्थी असे असतात की टीचरना नाव सांगायला एकदम पुढे असतात ते, पण यांच्या वर्गात असं कोणीच नव्हतं. नॉट अ सिंगल गर्ल ऑर बॉय. दे वर नॉट टेलिंग anyone's secret or anyone's mistakes or anyone falls to any other class students or teachers. We take the punishment as a class. याच्यामध्ये बघा, ज्यांनी चूक केली आहे ते विद्यार्थी आणि जे दोषी नाहीत, ज्यांनी चूक केली नाही तेही विद्यार्थी या शिक्षेमध्ये सामील होत असत. दे यूज टू टेक द पनिशमेंट ॲज अ क्लास. पूर्ण वर्गच्या वर्ग शिक्षा भोगायला तयार असेल. अँड वन डे व्हॉट हॅपन, अँड गेस व्हॉट हॅपन दिस इयर. आता ही जी मुलं आहेत ना बाळांनो, ही वर्षानुवर्ष एकाच वर्गात होती. बघा, काही वेळेला आपल्याला पहिलीपासूनचे आपले फ्रेंड्स, आता आपण 7th स्टँडर्डमध्ये आलो तरी आपण सेम फ्रेंड्स असतो, बिकॉज वी गो ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्लास ॲज अ होल क्लास. सो दिस इयर व्हॉट हॅपन, फर्स्टपासून 6पर्यंत ही मुलं नॉटी आहेत, मस्ती करणारी आहेत, सारखी सारखी पनिशमेंट घेणारी आहेत, असा त्यांचा शाळेमध्ये एक प्रकारे त्यांची ओळख होती किंवा त्यांचं नाव झालेलं होतं. अँड दिस इयर व्हॉट हॅपन, आता हे वर्ष 7वीचं वर्ष काहीतरी वेगळं होतं. काय झालं या वर्षी? लेट सी अँड गेस व्हॉट हॅपन दिस इयर. अँड देन व्हॉट हॅपन दिस इयर? We were used to teachers shouting at us for poor marks, shabby work, incomplete homework, not attending school regularly, and all the other things that teachers worry about. They were used to. त्यांना आता सवय झालेली कोणत्या गोष्टींची? टीचर शाउटिंग ॲट अस फॉर पुअर मार्क्स, शॅबी वर्क, इनकम्प्लीट होमवर्क, not attending school regularly, and all the other things that teachers worry about. That always they used to get shout for poor marks, less marks in their examination, shabby work, not doing work properly, in dirty handwriting, in shabby handwriting. They were not completing their homework on time. They were not attending school regularly, and all other things that teachers worry about. त्यांना आता ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टीची सवय झालेली, सारखा ओरडा खायचा. कशा कशासाठी? परीक्षेत कमी मार्क मिळालेत म्हणून, कसं तरी काम केलंय म्हणून, कधीच होमवर्क कंप्लीट केला नाही म्हणून, शाळेला दांड्या मारल्या म्हणून, अशा अनेक गोष्टींसाठी ते टीचर्सचा नेहमी ओरडा खात असत. आता त्यांना हे सगळ्याची सवय झालेली. उलट कोणी ओरडलं नाही तर त्यांना आश्चर्य वाटायचं. असं सगळं चालू असताना काय झालं? लेट्स सी. But we didn't mind it. It made no difference to us. We all liked our class the way it was. We were, in fact, quite proud of our class. They see, look at the children, look at the student, how were they? They didn't mind it. It made no difference to them. They all liked their class the way it was, and they were in fact quite proud of their class. असं जरी सगळं असलं तरी त्यांना काहीही फरक पडत नव्हता. त्यांना त्यांचा वर्ग जसा आहे तसा आवडत होता. उलट त्यांना त्यांच्या वर्गाचा अभिमान होता. वी वेर इन फॅक्ट क्वाईट प्राऊड ऑफ अवर क्लास. दो दे वेर नॉट वर्किंग properly, they were doing shabby work, they were not completing the homework, they were getting very less mark in the exam, they were never attending school regularly, they were fighting each other, they were having so many arguments among themselves. Still they liked their class, and in fact they were very proud of their class. And so was our new class teacher, Mrs. Desai. This year their class teacher was Mrs. Desai. You can see in this picture. They have new class teacher this year and she was Mrs. Desai, and like 7th standard children, even Mrs. Desai was proud of her class. What Mrs. Desai's view or opinion was about her class? I have heard about you people from your last year's teachers and I am proud of you. Mrs. Desai त्यांना काय म्हणाल्या? I have heard about you people from your last year's teachers and I am proud of you. मी तुमच्याबद्दल तुमच्या मागच्या टीचर्सकडून ऐकलंय आणि मला तुमचा खूप अभिमान वाटतो. Why? Because they were knowing how were they. त्यांना पूर्ण माहिती होतं की आपण काही शहाणी बाळं नाही आहोत. We are not gold children at all. We are not ideal students too. But still Mrs. Desai said that she was proud of them. And Mrs. Desai added to her, she said, unity is very important quality and you must always maintain it. I am very happy to be your class teacher. Mrs. Desai knew it very well that though they were not having other qualities, but they have one quality, that they were having been united among themselves. Unity was the best quality which these children have carried away with them for all these years. त्या सगळ्यांमध्ये जी एकीची भावना होती ती त्या मिसेस देसाईंना खूप आवडलेली. अँड सो शी वॉज हॅपी टू बी देअर क्लास टीचर. त्या म्हणाल्या, तुमची वर्गशिक्षिका म्हणून मला तुमचा खूप अभिमान वाटतो आणि मला खूप आनंद होतो की मी तुमची वर्गशिक्षिका आहे. Then what happened? They were discussing among themselves. When they heard that what Mrs. Desai said about them, then they discussed among themselves. They said, did you notice what she called us? It's very interesting. It's never children, it's always girls, boys. You young people, or my dear, or young man, or young lady. You feel so nice when she says, now this young lady will show us how to do it. त्यांना काय आवडायचं मिसेस देसाईंबद्दल? Other teacher used to call them as children. But Mrs. Desai never called them as children. She used to call them girls or boys or you young people or and that's why we all liked her very much. Mrs. Desai was their favorite teacher and they all liked her very much. And when the things were going so smoothly, then it was time for the first unit test. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की शाळा सुरू झाली की ऑगस्टला वगैरे आपली फर्स्ट युनिट टेस्ट असते. तशीच त्यांची फर्स्ट युनिट टेस्ट आली. इट वॉज टाइम फॉर द फर्स्ट युनिट टेस्ट. After the test, we all got ready to receive our usual share of scolding and punishment. Look at the children. After the test, every time, usually, they used to get punishment or scolding from their teachers. So now they all got ready to receive their usual share of scolding and punishment. Now they were waiting for when the teacher will enter in the class and teachers will start scolding them or punishing them for getting poor marks in the एक्झाम्स. आता ते वाट बघत होते की परीक्षा तर झाली, आता रिझल्ट्स किंवा रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स घेऊन टीचर्स येतील, पेपर्स दाखवतील आणि आपल्याला ॲज युजल ओरडा मिळणार आहे कारण आपण काही चांगलं केलेलं नाही आहे. आफ्टर द टेस्ट वी ऑल गॉट रेडी टू रिसीव अवर युजल शेअर ऑफ स्कोल्डिंग अँड पनिशमेंट. And but when Mrs. Desai came with the progress report cards, she didn't look angry. She was rather quiet. She smiled as usual, but her eyes didn't look happy. So they were waiting for their class teachers to come with their report cards. So Mrs. Desai came with the progress report cards, but when they looked at her face, she was not looking angry, but she was rather quiet. She smiled as usual, but her eyes didn't look happy. They noticed one thing, that though Mrs. Desai smiled, but her eyes didn't look happy as usual. मिसेस देसाई तर रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स घेऊन आल्या वर्गामध्ये, पण ॲज युजल त्यांचा फेस एकदम हॅपी नव्हता. शांतपणे त्या त्यांचे रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स घेऊन वर्गामध्ये आल्या. She handed out the cards one by one. Many of us had failed in one subject or the other. Some had not appeared for the test. A few had got good marks in some of the subjects. Very few had done well in all the subjects. Now, when Mrs. Desai handed out the cards to all the children one by one, when they gone through their report cards, they noticed it that they had failed in one subject or the other. Some had not even appeared for the test. They were absent for the unit test. And very few had got good marks in some of the subjects. And very few had done well in all the subjects. त्यांनी जेव्हा त्यांचे रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स बघितले तेव्हा त्यांच्या लक्षात आलं की त्यांच्यापैकी बरेच जण एखाद दुसऱ्या विषयात नापास झाले. काही जण तर परीक्षेला पण बसले नाहीत. काही जणांनी, अगदी थोड्या मुलांनी परीक्षेमध्ये काही विषयांमध्ये चांगले मार्क मिळवलेले, तर अगदी त्याहीपेक्षा थोड्या मुलांनी सगळ्या विषयांमध्ये चांगले मार्क्स मिळवलेले. म्हणजे वर्गाचा जर त्यांच्या ॲव्हरेज आपण जर बघितला प्रोग्रेस, तो इट वॉज नॉट गुड, नॉट ॲट ऑल गुड. दॅट्स वाय मिसेस देसाई वॉज क्वाईट सॅड and she was not happy with her class. She handed out the cards one by one. Many of us had failed in one subject or the other. Some had not appeared for the test. A few had got good marks in some of the subjects. Very few had done well in all the subjects. So that's that. That was the reaction of Mrs. Desai. She just uttered one sentence, so that's that. Suddenly her eyes were filled with tears. She didn't let the tears fall. Of course, she just blinked them. Mrs. Desai was not angry, but she was unhappy. She was sad when she saw the progress of her class, and her eyes were filled with tears. सो दॅट्स दॅट. त्यांची एकच वाक्यात त्यांनी त्यांची रिॲक्शन दिली असं आहे तर. आणि त्यांचे डोळे पाण्याने भरून आले. अँड शी जस्ट ब्लिंक देम ऑफ. त्यांनी अश्रू वाहू दिले नाहीत, बट चिल्ड्रन नोटीस दॅट our teacher is not happy with our progress. Are you angry with us, ma'am? Someone from their class asked their teacher. Are you angry with us, ma'am? तुम्ही आमच्यावर रागावलात का? Then what did Mrs. Desai said? No, not at all. Then Sushmita asked Mrs. Desai, but you don't feel proud of us anymore. तिला वाईट वाटलं की ना till the day teacher used to say that I'm proud of my class, but now the children had done so poor in their exam. So Sushmita said, but you don't feel proud of us anymore. Then what did Mrs. Desai say? She said, no Sushmita, you are my class and I will always want to be proud of you. Come on now, let us go back to our studies. Take out your books. मिसेस देसाई फार काही रागवल्या नाहीत, पण त्या शांतपणे म्हणाल्या, यू आर माय क्लास अँड आय विल ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू बी प्राऊड ऑफ यू. याच्या आधी त्या काय म्हणायच्या बघा, आय एम प्राऊड ऑफ यू. नाव शी सेड, आय विल ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू बी प्राऊड ऑफ यू. कम ऑन नाव, लेट इस गो बॅक टू अवर स्टडीज. टेक आउट युअर बुक्स. त्यांना कमी मार्क मिळाले म्हणून त्या अजिबात ओरडल्या नाही. त्यांनी तो विषय सोडून दिला. अँड शी सेड, कम ऑन नाव, लेट इस गो बॅक टू अवर स्टडीज. टेक आउट युअर बुक्स. चला अभ्यासाला लागूया आता. त्या काहीच म्हणजे बाकीचे टीचर्स त्यांना ओरडायचे किंवा पनिश करायचे कमी मार्क मिळाल्याबद्दल. बट मिसेस देसाईज रिॲक्शन वॉज डिफरंट फ्रॉम ऑल दोज टीचर्स. हे सगळं बघून मुलांना खूप वाईट वाटलं. सो आफ्टर द स्कूल दे were discussing among themselves. They waited after school and talked about this. They discussed it. Did you notice what Desai ma'am said, Asmita? Asked Snell. So Snell from their class asked Asmita that, did you notice what Desai ma'am said? She said, I will always want to be proud of you. She didn't say I am proud of you. बघा ह्या दोन वाक्यांमध्ये खूप फरक आहे. वॉन्ट टू बी प्राऊड. When Snehal asked Asmita, then Asmita got little angry and she said, what do you expect? I said, so many of us fail, so many miss the test. How do you expect her to be proud of us? Now the children were discussing among themselves that why Mrs. Desai were sad, she was unhappy. And the children were so emotional, you can see here. Then they were discussing that what can they do. Then when Snehal said that she said that she want to be proud of them, then Asmita got a little angry and she asked her, what do you expect? So many of us fail, so many miss the test. How do you expect her to be proud of us? अगं तुला काय अपेक्षा टीचरकडून? आपल्यातली किती मुलं नापास झाली, किती मुलं तर परीक्षेला आलीच नाहीत. आणि सगळं असं असताना आपला त्यांना अभिमान वाटेल का? सो हिअर माय डिअर चिल्ड्रन, यू कॅन नोटीस वन थिंग. These children were so fond of their teacher and now they were discussing among themselves. They waited after the school that their teacher shouldn't be unhappy because they love their teacher. And now they were discussing what can be done after this. So this is the end of the part 1. Here we will stop, but there is one activity. After watching this video, you can re-watch the video and do this activity.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.